Led by AI technologies, pharmaceutical enterprises are advancing into digital transformation. The deep integration of digital technologies and the pharmaceutical industry has given rise to new manufacturing paradigms, including dark factories, lighthouse factories, and unmanned factories. Our smart factory consulting services cover overall planning, digital simulation, optimization, digital system deployment, and implementation, as well as digital maturity assessment and conceptual layout. Adopting digital twin and BIM technologies, we realize full visual presentation of future factories at the early project stage. Combining lean philosophy with digital tools, we deliver high-efficiency solutions via a full suite of plant digital technologies. Statistics show overall operational efficiency rises by 60%. Operating costs drop by 41%, and product quality improves by 28%. Our pharmaceutical digital compliance services guarantee compliant operations throughout digital transformation and ensure the legality, integrity, and authenticity of electronic records and electronic signatures. Tailored to enterprise scale, business scope, digital transformation phases, and regulatory requirements, we provide customized full lifecycle digital development roadmaps for pharmaceutical manufacturers. Welcome to contact us for more details.